All right, we just received this, and let's go ahead and open it up. This is a bone conduction hearing aid, and bam, look at that, pretty snazzy. Oh, does come with some information on how to use it. We may need that. Set that there, and there is, it looks like some type of controlling device here. And for some reason, it's in the on position. Let's put it in the off position. And in the back, we open it up, there's AAA batteries in there. Now, I'm not quite sure how this works. We're going to have to probably do a little bit of investigation. So let's set that down, put it back inside here for now. And let's take a look and see what we got here. Bam. Comes with, it looks like this is a USB. Oh, look, it's magnetic. So this you're going to plug into you're going to need a block, right? You plug this into the block, and then this will, I guess this goes on these, this device here. So let's get this thing out of here. Oh, there it is. Look. All right. So this is our, I guess this is what we listen with. And I think we may need to charge it, right? So we'll do that. And I think that the way you charge it is this thing right here, which is magnetic, is going to go on here. It only goes one way. So if you try to do it this way, it repels. So you got to put it this way. All right, so that's that. And now I just got to plug this into a block, and we'll charge these bad boys up and see what we think. How's that sound? Let's do it. All right, so here's my block, right? And here's my USB. I think they call it an A. We just got to plug it in there. And then this should give us an indicator. I think it is. So you can see it's showing a red light, and that's telling you that it's charging. So it's Mearsun, right? And we just got to let them charge up. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So we'll set these here. We'll come back, and hopefully they turn, I don't know, green, or they'll turn some color and let us know that they're charged, and then we can give them a try and see what we think. All right, so anyway, here is the Mearsun manual, and I'm thinking there's an app that you have to download. I would imagine, right? Kind of gives us a breakdown of what we're getting, right? And here is the schematic of the actual headphones or earphones. So they got a volume key, they got a switch key, magnetic charging ports, bone conduction oscillator. All right. And it does come with USB, we know that. And then this device here, apparently it's got a volume, it's got a left and a right key, and it's got a switch key to turn it on. So we already looked at that. And yeah, but I'm thinking that it does have an app somewhere, and you would think that they would have a QR code in here where you could, battery warning, do not connect metal, okay, we know that. You think, oh, wait a minute, here it is. This could be our QR code for downloading an app for the phone. So we'll try that out and see if that works. Let's see what happens. So what you have to do is you got to go to your, your photo, and I'm going to go to photo on it, and then I just got to read it. I think, I don't know which one I want, but we'll try it. See what it does. Oh, look at this. It took me to some Chinese app. Oh, Mearsun. That's it right there. So we can download that app. I'm not sure I really want to use that app. We're going to try it without it first and then see how it works. And if not, well, then we'll get that. How's that sound? All right, so if you look, you can see we've got a blue light and we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and pull that off. If you look on here, you're going to see you've got a plus and a minus sign, all right? So to turn these on, you have to press on the plus sign for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, all right? And so now we should see that blue light. Okay, the blue light's off, so apparently it must have been on, so let's try it again. Turn them on and off. It's 1001, 1002, 1000. Let's do it again. 1001, 1002, 1003. I'm getting a red light. That's not good. It was supposed to be charged. So a long press on the plus sign for 3 seconds manually, and we should see the blue light. Let's do it again. 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay, we saw the blue light. So now it's on, right? Now, for the Bluetooth, to set it up to the Bluetooth, what we're going to do is we're going to press on it for 5 seconds. All right, you ready? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. All right, and there it is, Mearsun. Okay, so if you look, you're going to see Mearsun. It's trying to connect, but for some reason we're not getting her on there. Pairing unsuccessful. Okay, let's try again. See if we get it. You can see the other things I got on here. Pairing unsuccessful. Make sure it's turned on, in range, and ready to pair. Okay, so we've got to try that again. Let me set this here for right now. All right, so again, let's look at it. Let's press on it and hold it for 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So it's blinking red and blue. That should mean that it should pair. Let's try. All right, we're in. We're connected. Here, let me show you. Bam, that's how you do it. Connected, Mearsun. All right, now I can go ahead and I can put these on my ears and we can see how they work. How's that sound? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so here they are, right? And I believe they go behind your ears. So remember, on the right side is where you're going to have this. And this should go like that, I would think. Oh, interesting. Yeah. All right, now I'm going to take the phone and I'm going to turn it on. All right, so you can see we're connected to our Mearsun. And I'll just I'm going to go to my own YouTube channel, and I'm just going to play this one video right here. I click on it, and I'm going to hit play. I got to tap to unmute it. Oh, it's doing good. So now if I wanted to turn it up, I could go on this side and press on it to get it louder. Now, so this is what I'm playing. So let me get the other piece. All right, so I'm going to set this down. And then we got this thing, right? So let's turn it on. Now I'm going to go to the left, right? And then right. It's not doing anything. This is not doing anything. I think I just turned it off. That's not helping. So anyway, let's go back to here. I can hear it pretty good, I gotta say. So it's definitely working. You guys can't hear it because it's coming through here. But yeah, not bad. So it's working pretty good, I gotta say. Check them out. Okay, so anyway, I'm playing my, video, and if I want to turn it up, I can press on the plus sign on this side, but it takes a little bit of practice to do it, right? So let me go ahead and just pop them off for a second and show you. So here is the plus sign right here. So to turn it up, I don't know if you can hear it or not. Let me get it going. Anyway, if I want to turn it up, I go to here, and I'm going to press on this right here. I had my iPhone Pro Max in my pocket, okay? So it's in the pocket. You should be able to hear it, right? Now if I want to bring it down, I go to the negative side, right? So to drop the sound, I go, and then it drops. All right, let me set that down. So anyway, to raise the sound, you press this one. To lower it, you press here, right? So when it's on your head, you got to kind of go behind your ear, right back here, and I can go ahead and lower it, or I can raise it. Now, if I want to turn them off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the plus sign, and I'm going to press it. I'm going to hold it for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. And you see the red? Bam, that's turned off. Now I can put these away. And that's basically how it works. You know what I mean? Jelly beans? Oh. All right, so if you like this video, yeah, check out these bad boys. Here is the name, Mearsun. Or no, how do I say it? Yeah, Mearsun. This is the way you read it. Can you read that? Mearsun. That's how it goes. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.